All right.
Yeah, so my mom's half Cebuano, half Espanol.
Oh.
Okay. Merong maliit tubig.
Another food, another day here at Pinoy Corner. Today I was surprised that one of our customers can speak Filipino.
Hi, thank you so much. Your food was amazing. My mum's not around anymore, so it really reminded me of Filipino cooking. So it was so nice to be able to find you guys while I was on holiday and try your delicious food. Thank you.
Thank you. Salamat. Kia ora everyone. If you haven't tried Filipino cuisine, come visit our store at Hastings Bay Plaza. Salamat.